Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, okay, nothing to say. Gold has made the high of 1962. Gold was extremely bullish after yesterday's CPI and we saw a free fall on the chart of dollar, and the downtrend or downside on dollar is still continuing. We can see that there is no support. The last support was around 100.80, and right now market is trading below 100.80. Things are very negative for DXY right now. Sellers are dominating this market, and if we look at the chart, then you can easily see that we don't have any support right now, and there's a good chance that market will be heading towards DXY will be heading towards double digit right now. And today we have PPI coming up, so again there will be volatility. Traders, be careful, do not gamble. Okay, but right now things are not very positive for DXY. In case market tries to recover during the day, then DXY will face resistance around 100.80. Simple concept. The previous support will be working as a resistance here. If this breaks, then market will heading towards 101. I don't think so DXY have the strength right now. Buyers present on the market have the strength right now to take the market above 101. Things are very critical for DXY. DXY is in ventilation right now, and that's the fact. Now let's talk about gold. Okay, as I said, today we have a news coming up, PPI. You can also check on forexfactory.com. You get to see. Here you can see we have PPI coming up, so please be careful. Go to any economic calendar, check out the timing so that you are prepared. In my country, in India, okay, the time will be 6 p.m. You can just change the time zone according to your country. Okay, so now let's talk about gold here. So gold is extremely bullish, there is no doubt about it. In fact, couple of days ago, around 3 days ago, I guess, I told you guys that there is a structural change on the chart of gold, and we can clearly see that, okay, our guess was right. Things are changing for gold because market was clearly forming lower lows and lower highs. It was the structure of the market, but here you can see the structure of the market is showing transition because market is no longer forming lower lows. Market formed a higher low here, and market also broke the previous high. So there's a good chance that swing traders will get a very nice opportunity to take a buy on gold and sit on the chart of gold for at least 2000 level. Yes, the next target on gold is around 1980 2000 level. If gold breaks 2000 level, then obviously gold will be heading towards new high. So this is the scenario right now. So let's wait and watch. So there is a trend change going on the chart. Let's see how the market reacts. Now let's talk about the trading opportunities then. So first of all, in this market situation, buy at retracement is the best trading strategy. Okay, because already market is extremely overbought. If you take a buy at the top here, your risk to reward ratio is not in your favor much. So to bring down the risk to reward ratio to your favor, obviously you need to wait for retracement. So by the European session, if market shows a deep retracement, now listen to me carefully. If market shows a deep retracement or market shows few red candles, okay, what you can do is you can look for buy around 1940 level. Why 1940? Because till yesterday before CPI, 1940 was acting as a very strong resistance. Very strong resistance will be acting as a very strong support right now if gold shows a deep retracement. But 1940 is far away from the current market price because market is standing at 1956 right now and we are talking about 1940. There's a difference of 160 pips. So in that case, before 1940, we also have support around 1945. 1945 is not a very strong support, but in this market condition where bulls are dominating, 1945 will also be a very good support where we can expect the market to bounce. let me show you why we are considering 1945 here. To do that, okay, we are drawing FIBO, okay, FIBO here from the lowest point of the chart, which is 1893, and we are stretching it to the point of 1962, yesterday's high. And we can clearly see that market has 0.236 retracement level, first level around 1945. So this is the first support from the Fibonacci here. As right now market is not showing any proper retracement, as a result, okay, apart from this level, if we consider other lows, things will be a little bit confusing. So as a result, I am not going for other lows here. Okay. But if we go to the 15 minutes time frame, then we can see that we also have some minor support around 1952 to 1950 level. Because we have some price ejection or support around this area, so that's why we are considering 1952 to 1950 also as a retracement level. And moreover, 1950 is a round number. That's why there's a good chance that during the day, if market doesn't go for deep retracement, and then market may take support on 1951, 52 and bounce from this level. If market bounces from here, then also you can look for a buy position. So these are the three retracement levels on the chart of gold right now. Chances of market going to 1940, 45 or less, but still we should have the knowledge, because in case market surprises us with deeper correction, we should be ready for it, isn't it? So if market takes support and bounces, go for a buy. And as I said, 1950, 1951, 51, 52 is a weak level. So in case market drops to 1951, 52, observe the market on 15 minutes time frame. If you see that market is taking support, you can hit on the buy button immediately. Okay, and after news, market will be volatile, not like yesterday or not like NFP, but still there will be some volatility. So in case market follows a trend, follow the trend of the market, because see, when the news dominates the market, you should have in your mind that technicals may not work. Usually we see 90% time technicals fail when fundamentals dominate the market, and as a trader you should know when to trust the technicals, when to trust the fundamentals. And if gold breaks the high of 1962, we can consider it as a trend continuation. Then again you can look for a buy position above this level, but yes, with proper risk management. At any cost, okay, do not gamble with your capital at any cost. Do not risk, okay, more than you can digest. Okay, so only risk the amount that you can, okay, afford to lose. Strict risk management is extremely important. And my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please be careful, do your research analysis, and be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye, take care.